filming a different video today. My morning has taken a different turn. Oh, I didn't even bring my protein shake. Crap. Oh, whatever. I'll be quick, hopefully. So I have been putting off dealing with some of my mom's financial accounts because I keep having this dream, and this is gonna sound super weird, I'm sure, but I keep having this dream that the minute I take that money out or close that account is the minute that she's not able to come back. And that's so hard. And it's been over a year now, and I keep getting the letters, and I keep, her financial person keeps calling and being like, you need to do something. And literally I've already passed the deadline, so it might be too late. But I don't know how to explain it. It's just this feeling that it's not mine. It feels weird, and I want her to come back and not have the money. And then I have this other feeling. So I have two dreams. I have one dream where I take the money out and then she can never come back. And then I have another dream where I take the money out and she comes back, and then I'm like, how does she have anything to live? I literally had this dream last night. I'm not kidding you when I say it really truly affects me. And it's been a huge reason for me to put it off and put it off and put it off and put it off. And then I just called now, and they were like, you literally have a week left, and technically it's not even guaranteed because it's already been over a year since she passed. And I'm just like, I know that it did that. I know I consciously made that effort or conscious choice. I don't know how to explain it, you guys. And it's hard. So anyways, I'm going to fax it now so that I don't have to worry about putting it in the mail and whatnot. And then hopefully it's not too late. I don't know. I know it's not it's such a weird feeling, someone else's money. It just feels wrong. It feels bad. It feels uncomfortable. I know my mom would want me to have it, though. She definitely wouldn't want the government to have it. You know what I mean? But I don't know. It's just such a weird feeling. And if you know, you know. And I don't know. I've just been putting it off to hope that maybe it would. That just seemed so final. So anyway, I'm headed to Office Max to fax this stuff because I don't have a faxer anymore, or at all. I've never had a fax machine. I don't know why I just said anymore. But on a positive note, look at my new hat. I don't know. I'm so stressed. So when I'm stressed, I just kind of change the subject and hope that I didn't mess something up or that I'm making the right decision. I don't know. Anyways, I got a new hat. I lost my navy one, so I bought this gray one on Amazon. I'll link it down below. It kind of looks like, could be green, could be gray, could be taupe. I like it though. Okay. It's okay. Deep breaths. I love you guys. Sorry for a weird start to a vlog, but we're here. I just wanted to cry the whole time I was in there. I don't know why it just feels like sucky. I know why it feels sucky. I probably shouldn't even share this on YouTube. I don't know, you guys. That was hard. That was really hard. Hello guys, so I got back from dealing with all of that. I just had a good cry. I needed to let it out. And yeah. So after that, I decided it's already 2 o'clock, 2:30, and I'm like, I need to just pull myself together a little bit. It's okay to have days like this, but I hadn't eaten anything besides a protein shake, so I was like, ugh. I remember things my mom would say to me when I was stressed or not feeling good or whatever, and I'd be like, I haven't eaten all day. She'd be like, you need to go eat. You have to fuel yourself. You have to do that in order to feel better, in any regard. And so then I was like, well, we have nothing quick and easy to eat. Like, I have a ton of stuff in the fridge, but nothing like quick and easy. So I was like, oh, I'll just go out to eat, grab to eat. And then I was like, no, just make yourself something healthy, comforting. Not healthy, but I made breakfast tacos with, if you do not put refried beans on your breakfast tacos, it's a game changer. Do it. Thank me later. I would have used cheddar cheese, but we only had mozzarella, so that's what I used. And the butter tortillas, you can either get them at Central Market, H-E-B, and now they have them at Kroger. I don't know, butter flavored tortillas, so good, so bad for you, so good. And I poured myself a giant glass of coffee, which I don't actually know if that's the best for me right now with how I'm feeling. And then a liquid IV, because they just launched a new flavor. Well, I don't think it's new, but they launched in Walmart stores now, so you can buy liquid IV at Walmart. Obviously, if you still buy online, you use my code to get a discount, 25% off plus free shipping. But if you're in a pinch and need something quick, and I haven't been able to find the golden cherry on their website, but they have it at Walmart now. So tried that out yesterday actually, and I love it. It's good. It's really, really sweet, and it's very cherry. So I only use half the pack still, but it's really good. And I just need more water, but I don't feel like drinking water, so I have it in the little cup that they sent me, which also makes me happy because it's super cute, but it's good. So anywho, I decided I'm gonna take a bath. So I'm gonna take a nice bubble bath and unwind and relax and give myself this day to just feel the way I'm feeling, and it's okay. And yeah, it took everything in me not to cry at Office Max. The guy probably was like, what was wrong with this girl? Because I had to have somebody help me because I couldn't figure out, the fax machine kept getting jammed, so someone had to help me. Nonetheless, I'm gonna take a nice bubble bath. I'm gonna watch 90 Day Fiance. I'm gonna focus on just like taking care of myself in a healthy way, giving myself grace, because like the last thing, this is the hardest part too, and this is why I try not to let these days happen very often. It's because like I know it would kill my mom to know that I'm feeling this way because of her loss, but she also would tell me it's okay to cry and it's okay to have these days and yada yada yada. So I'm trying to honor her and feel my feelings, but also just like try not to just sit in bed all day and feel awful. So a bath sounds like a nice time to just kind of take some time for me. So I'm gonna do that. Let's sorry, let's get this bath started. Hello guys. I did a little bit of skincare. I put on some lotion and stuff after my bath. It was very nice to just chill. I don't know, I didn't drink the rest of my coffee because I felt like it was making me more like anxious and whatnot. I'm literally so tired from like feeling all the emotions that I have today. I don't know. It's just been a tough one. So I'm going to take the rest probably like the next hour, because then I have to go get Arlo, to pick out some outfits for a video that I want to film, that I honestly wanted to film today, but did not get around to it, so hopefully I can film it tomorrow. So I'm gonna kind of prep for it, because I feel like I just feel very overwhelmed right now. So I figured if I just kind of take it easy and do one small project at a time, it won't feel as overwhelming. But yeah, I just continue to tell myself it's okay to have days like this, and it's healthy to like feel it out and just deal with it than to just suppress it and keep going. So I very rarely do just let it consume me, or I haven't in a very long time. But everyone's grief looks completely different. Everyone's, you know, way of dealing with it is, I don't know, it's just certain things trigger me. And like I said, like today when I had to deal with that thing that I've been putting off for over a year now, because I have dreams about it at least 5 times a week, it really sunk in and really hit me. So yeah, I don't know, just figured I'd share with you the real, the raw, the good days and the bad. So I just finished picking out my outfits. I think I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know, maybe I need to go back to the drawing board. I wanted to have 10, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. But yeah, I don't know. I think this is pretty much gonna be it. I don't know, you guys. I really don't even know if I really want to post this, but part of me is just like, when I saw how many of y'all reached out to me because you had been going through something, or even if you aren't now, or if you are in the future, like, it's okay to have bad days. It's okay to let yourself just, you know, completely feel it. And I don't know, it doesn't have to make sense to everybody, but if you've gone through it, you know how it feels, how hard it is, and I don't know, it's my life. It's not always easy, it's not always perfect, it's never perfect, but I have really great days, and then I have really hard days, and I never in a million years thought that I would have to lose or go through and process losing my mom at such a young age. And I know I'm not young, but still a lot younger than I had thought. And I just need to remind myself, and maybe you as well, that like, it's okay to have days where you're not feeling it, where you're just, I don't know, sad. That's okay. So today was one of those days. Didn't go as planned. Had full intentions of having a super productive Monday, and then something that maybe shouldn't have caused me as much, like, I don't know, sadness did, and I had to deal with it, and today was the day that I dealt with it, and it wasn't easy. So I don't know, just thought I'd share it with you, because this channel is about the good and the bad and everything in between. So I love you. Thank you for weirdly hanging out with me on a day where I just felt in my feelings. And yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna have a slow evening. I'm gonna go get Arlo and give him extra hugs. Oh my god, we gave him my haircut yesterday. Ugh, my whole heart, my whole heart. Okay, well, I'll have to show you him with this little haircut. I saved a little clip of his hair. Oh, that was really hard as well. My mom was a hairdresser, so I always thought of her giving him his first haircut. But Scott did a great job. Yes, Scott gave him his first haircut. I got the first piece off, but Scott's really good at giving haircuts, weirdly enough. Like, contemplating him cutting my hair. Because he's really good. He cuts his own hair, too. So, anyways, I love you guys. Thank you for spending this day with me. And, yeah. Let's go get little man. I'll show you his cute little haircut. Okay, so ignore Arlo's extremely messy shirt. But hey, Arlo, can you show everyone your new haircut? Hey! This is no, I'm on a mission to find a golf club, Mom. Can you show everyone how you hit it? 2 hands? Can we use 2 hands? Those are big, those are normal golf balls. Oh, good pets to Miss Winnie's. That's sweet. Aww. All right, hit your golf ball with 2 hands. Nope. Okay, hey, can you hit the ball? Look at that haircut. Hey, look at your haircuts. Do you want to see yours? That's a puff ball. Come here.
Bubble.
Puff ball. Good job. Come here. Come here.
Bubble.
Can you look at your... Oh, look, Arlo. Who's that? He's like, 0 interest in you, lady. Who's that?
Arlo.
That's Arlo? With your little haircuts? Aww.
Bubble.
Yeah?
Bubble.
Who's that? All right, that'll wrap it up, you guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.